Rita Dominic has been very open about her desire to find a man, especially now that she's 40 years old, to get settled with him for a long-term relationship and ultimately marriage life. But the good men have been hard to come by. Well, her search may finally be over if what we're hearing is true. The actress and her fellow counterpart in her self-produced movie The Meeting are reportedly in a relationship, as revealed by a close source. They are dating for real but still keeping it under wraps. They started as friends after The Meeting movie and it became serious afterwards. Neither Rita nor Femi have confirmed the rumors, but with recent comments he's been making about her pictures on Instagram, it may well be an indication of what's going on between them. Whatever the case, many fans of Rita will be happy if she finally found a man to add to her happiness.